Algebra, zebra. In this lesson, we cover multiplying algebraic expressions. When you multiply two algebraic expressions, know the FOIL method. FOIL method refers to the multiplication order: first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. Let us solve this example. X plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 4, we know that x times 3x are the first terms, x times 4 are the outer terms, 2 times 3x are the inner terms, and 2 times 4 are the last terms. All together, when expanded, we have 3x squared plus 4x plus 6x plus 8, which can be simplified into 3x squared plus 10x plus 8. Make sure you practice free algebraic multiplication problems at cognifygmat.com. I put the link below for you. There are special rules for the algebraic multiplication. These formats appear frequently in the GMAT, so you should memorize these three rules. The first rule is a plus b bracket square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The second rule is a minus b bracket square is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. The third rule is a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. You should memorize the reverse order as well. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b bracket square. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b bracket square. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Make sure you are familiar with these special multiplication rules both ways. Let us look at this example. Expand x plus 2y bracket square. This problem is related to special rule number 1. Just substitute the first and second terms into the rule number 1 equation. X plus 2y bracket square is equal to x squared plus 2x times 2y plus 2y bracket square. And finally we have x squared plus 4xy plus 4y squared. What about this question? Expand x plus 2y multiplied by x minus 2y. This problem is related to rule number 3. X plus 2y multiplied by x minus 2y is equal to x squared minus 2y bracket square. And we have x squared minus 4y squared as the answer. So you see, you need to be able to use these special rules without any difficulties. Make sure you practice these special rules at cognifygmat.com. It's time for a GMAT level problem. If p minus w is 2 and p squared minus w squared is 4, what is the value of p plus w? Wait a minute. Get yourself a scrap paper and a pen and pause the video for a moment. Try to solve this question by yourself. Remember, the special rule number 3 equation a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So using this special equation, we can write it as p squared minus w squared is equal to p plus w multiplied by p minus w. We already know the value of p minus w, which is equal to 2. Since p squared minus w squared equals 4, substitute these values into the equation. And we get 4 is equal to p plus w times 2. Divide both sides by 2 and we get p plus w equals 2. And the answer is A. It was a quick solve, right? That's why it's important to memorize the special rules of multiplying the algebraic expression. There are more advanced questions related to these algebraic multiplications, so please check them out at cognifygmat.com and the link below. Have a great studying time.